Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our friendly English podcast. And Peter, it's so nice to see you today. I'm already full of energy because today we're talking about mornings, and you know I love morning routines. How are you feeling today, Peter?
I'm feeling good, Nicole, and I'm happy to be here with you again. And Nicole, I can already hear your morning energy, which makes me smile. I think today's topic will help many listeners start their day in a better way.
Oh, thank you, Peter. That's very kind of you. And before we start, I want to ask you something simple. Peter, did you have a good morning today? And I'm curious about your morning too.
Yes, Nicole, I had a nice morning because I ate a good breakfast and took a short walk outside. The air was fresh and it helped me wake up slowly and calmly. And how about you, Nicole? Did you have a good start today?
I did, Peter, and I'm excited to share my routine with our listeners. I drank water, stretched a little, and listened to soft music, and it made me feel peaceful and ready for the day. And that's exactly what we'll talk about today: how to build a simple, happy, productive morning. So, Peter, let's start with something easy. When you wake up, what's the first thing you usually do? Do you jump out of bed, or do you stay under the blanket for a moment?
Well, Nicole, I usually stay in bed for 1 or 2 minutes because I like to breathe slowly and wake up gently. Then, I sit up, stretch my arms, and try to smile a little because it helps me start the day with a good feeling.
I love that, Peter. A small smile in the morning is a great idea. Many people wake up and feel tired or stressed, but a smile can change the mood quickly. And after that, the first real step is very simple: drink water.
Yes, Nicole, water is so important in the morning because our body sleeps for many hours without drinking anything. When we drink a glass of water, our brain wakes up faster and our body feels more alive. It's like giving fuel to a car.
Exactly, Peter, and I love that comparison. Water is the fuel for our brain, and it helps us think clearly and feel more awake. So step 1 is always drink 1 big glass of water before anything else.
After water, Nicole, I think moving the body is the next important step. It doesn't have to be hard exercise, just something simple like stretching, walking, or even dancing a little. 10 minutes is enough to wake up the muscles.
Yes, Peter, dancing in the kitchen is one of my favorite morning activities. Put on a happy song, move your arms, move your legs, and suddenly you feel more alive and ready for the day. It's fun and easy.
Stretching is also great, Nicole, because it helps the back, the neck, and the shoulders relax after sleeping. Many people feel stiff in the morning, and a few slow stretches can make a big difference.
So step 1 is water, step 2 is moving, and step 3 is something very special: focus time. This is the quiet part of the morning, and it helps your mind feel calm and strong. And the most important rule is no phone.
That's right, Nicole, because phones are full of messages, news, and notifications that make the brain busy too fast. When we avoid the phone for the first 30 minutes, we give our mind a peaceful start.
During focus time, you can do many good things, Peter. You can plan your day, write a small list, meditate, pray, or read something inspiring. It's your quiet moment before the world becomes loud.
Planning the day is one of my favorite things, Nicole. When I write down 2 or 3 important tasks, I feel more organized and less stressed. It's a simple habit, but it helps a lot.
Meditation is also wonderful, Peter. You sit quietly, close your eyes, breathe slowly, and let your mind relax for a few minutes. It makes the whole day feel lighter.
Some people like to read something short in the morning, Nicole, like a page from a book or a small inspirational text. It gives the mind something positive to start with.
And of course, Peter, Focus time is perfect for studying English. Your brain is fresh, your mind is calm, and you can learn new words or listen to a short podcast easily.
That's true, Nicole. And even 10 or 15 minutes of English every morning can help learners improve very fast. A little bit every day is better than one big study session once a week.
After focus time, you can enjoy your coffee or tea with a peaceful mind, Peter. And that makes the morning feel warm and comfortable. It's a nice reward after the first steps.
Breakfast is also important, Nicole, because it gives energy for the rest of the morning. It doesn't have to be big, just something simple like fruit, yogurt, or toast.
And when you finish all these steps, you feel ready for the day, Peter. You're not stressed, you're not rushing, you're calm, awake, and productive.
Exactly, Nicole. And the best part is that this routine is simple and anyone can do it. Water, moving, focus time, and a good breakfast. That's all you need.
But Peter, I want to ask you something fun now. What is one thing that always makes your morning better, even on a busy day?
Well, Nicole, I think music helps me a lot because a soft song or a happy tune can change my mood quickly. It makes me feel relaxed and ready to start working.
I love that, Peter. Music is magic in the morning. For me, opening the window and feeling the fresh air always makes me smile. It feels like a new start.
Fresh air is wonderful, Nicole, and it's a small thing that makes a big difference. Sometimes the simplest habits are the most powerful.
And that's why we're sharing these ideas today, Peter. We want our listeners to build a morning that feels good, simple, and full of positive energy. And now, Peter, let's move into our grammar section, because even a simple morning routine uses basic grammar every day. We want to help our listeners understand the difference between the present simple and the present continuous in a very easy way. These two forms are everywhere in daily life.
The present simple is used for routines, habits, and things that are always true, like, I wake up at 6, she drinks coffee, or they walk to work. It's the tense we use to talk about what we usually do every day. It's simple and clear.
The present continuous is different, Peter, because it describes actions happening right now or around now. For example, I'm drinking water. You're listening to this podcast. Or, we're talking about mornings. It feels more active and alive.
We also use the present continuous for temporary actions, Nicole, like I'm staying with my parents this week, or I'm working from home today. It shows something that is not forever, just for now.
A very easy way to remember it is this. Present simple equals routine. Present continuous equals now. If learners keep this in mind, they'll understand most daily conversations very quickly.
And mornings are full of both tenses, Nicole. I wake up at 6 is present simple, but I'm stretching now is present continuous. It's all about the moment.
Great, Peter. Now let's move into our vocabulary section, because mornings are full of feelings and actions that are easy to describe with simple words. These words help our listeners talk about their day in a clear and friendly way.
One useful word is tired, which means you don't have much energy, like, I'm tired in the morning. It's a very common feeling at the start of the day.
Another good word is awake, which means your eyes are open and your mind is ready. For example, after I drink water, I feel more awake.
A helpful word is hungry, which many people feel in the morning before breakfast. You can say, I'm hungry when I wake up.
Another simple word is calm, which means peaceful and relaxed. For example, quiet time in the morning helps me feel calm.
A great word is busy, which means you have many things to do. You can say, My morning is busy when I wake up late.
And one more word, ready, which means prepared for the day. For example, after my routine, I feel ready to start work. Now let's explain some expressions, Peter, because expressions make English sound natural and fun. The first one is wake up, which means open your eyes and start the day. For example, I wake up at 6 every morning.
Another expression is start the day, which means begin your morning activities. For example, I start the day with a big glass of water.
My second expression is take a deep breath, which means breathe in slowly to relax your body and mind. For example, I take a deep breath when I feel stressed in the morning.
And my second expression is get ready, which means prepare yourself for the day. For example, I get ready after I finish my breakfast.
And now, Peter, it's time to close our episode. But I'm smiling because I loved talking about morning routines today. It's such a simple topic, but it can change the whole day.
I agree, Nicole, and I hope our listeners feel inspired to try at least one new step tomorrow morning. Even a small change can make the day feel better and easier.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps more learners find us and join our friendly community. And it makes us very happy too.
And don't forget to write in the comments, what is one thing you do for a good morning? We love reading your answers and seeing your ideas.
Thank you so much for listening today. Have a wonderful day and an even better morning tomorrow.